Waze app actually allows you to manage auto zoom on it. Wanna learn how? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to our channel. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, open up the app just like this. Make sure to get logged in through your own account. Now, tap on these three straight horizontal lines on the top left corner. Tap on Settings option. Now tap on Map Display below General. As you do this, you will see an option of Auto Zoom, and here on the right corner, straight to it, is a sliding bar. Tap on it to enable the Auto Zoom, and then if you want to disable it, all you have to do is tap on the sliding bar once again. So, this is how you do it. This is how you manage Auto Zoom on Waze app. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and I hope